Good morning, everyone. This week, we're going to be talking about ocean creatures. Last week, we talked a lot about zoo animals, and before that, we spoke about farm animals and even pets. So this week, the types of fish and creatures that we're going to be talking about live in the ocean. They live in the water. This particular book is called Ocean Creatures, and it's a scholastic nonfiction book, which means it is real. And usually a nonfiction book has pictures or photographs. And on the front cover, you can see a parrotfish, I see a seahorse, a starfish, and a sea turtle. So let's find out some facts and some information about these particular creatures. Take a look at my book. Take a look at my book. Turn the pages nice and slow. Look at pictures as we go. Take a look at my book. Ocean creatures. A parrotfish changes colors as it grows older. This is a baby parrotfish and an adult parrotfish. Look, it starts off being white and orange and black, and then it turns turquoise and pink and orange. And this is asking, can you point to the blue and pink fish? Which we already did that. That's the adult parrotfish. Parrotfish live in the ocean. Lots of other kinds of fish that live there too. Guess what? Fish breathe underwater. They do not breathe air the way that you and I do. Look at all these fish. Seahorses are funny looking fish. Their heads actually look like a horse's head. How many seahorses do you see? I'll give you a moment. That's right, 3 seahorses. Seahorses hold on to plants with their tails. And they let go when they want to swim away. Guess what? A father seahorse has a pouch on his tummy to hold onto his babies. That's an interesting fact. I never knew that. Oh my goodness, look at all these sea turtles. There are 7 types of sea turtles. An olive ridley, a green sea turtle, Kemp's ridley sea turtles, loggerhead sea turtles, leatherback, a hawksbill sea turtle, and a flatback sea turtle. I guess they call him a flatback sea turtle because his back looks a little flat. A sea turtle uses its flippers to swim through the ocean. And guess what? Baby sea turtles hatch from eggs. Does anyone know another animal that its babies hatch from an egg? Chickens? Birds? A sea star has 5 arms. Can you count them? Are you ready? We're going to count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you read some of the facts that we have on the paper about starfish, you'll discover that a starfish can lose their arm. If they're being chased by a predator, what they'll do is they'll let the predator have its arm, and then the arm grows back. It takes a pretty long time, but it does grow back. Sea stars, or starfish, live on the bottom of the ocean, and they use their arms to walk around. We could pretend to be a sea star, a sea star with our hands, because look, I have 5 arms, but my hand has 5 fingers. So I could put it down on the table and pretend to be a sea star. Guess what? Some kinds of sea stars have more than 5 arms. A humpback whale is as big as a school bus. That's huge. Humpback whales sometimes leap out of the ocean. Remember what we said? Leap means to jump. Guess what? Humpback whales don't have teeth. Another fact I didn't know about. When they fall back into the ocean, they make a big splash. I guess so. They're quite big. So this is asking us to match each of these sea creatures to its name. So when I say the name of the creature, you're going to point to it. Okay, let's get ready. The first one, parrotfish. I'll give you a moment. There it is. The next one is called a seahorse. That one's pretty easy, right? Because it looks like a horse. The next one is a sea turtle. Can you show me the sea turtle? Very good. It's right on top. The next one is a sea star or a starfish. If you can't quite find it, remember, 5 arms. That's right. There it is. And the last one that we learned about was the humpback whale, right along the bottom. They're very big. So there are just some of the sea creatures that we're going to be learning about this week. When you see these this week, you'll already know some facts. And when you're writing in your journal, find or show me a picture of one of your favorites. I'll tell you what my favorite sea creature is maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. I'll have to think about it. Maybe I'll even draw a beautiful picture. Thank you, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Be good.